Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How to link your Facebook account with your Instagram account. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Instagram application, open up your settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you will find the option of account center. It's the first option. Now you have to go to the first one and tap on it. After opening your account center, you'll find these options. Now you have to tap on the second one, connected experiences. After opening that, you have to tap on add accounts. But before that, let's check the sharing across profiles. You can see my Facebook account is already added, so I cannot add more Facebook accounts. So let's learn how to do it. First of all, you have to tap on share across profile page, and then you have to tap on add accounts. It will give you option of adding your Facebook account. You will find that option there. You have to tap on it and it will connect your Facebook account with your Instagram account immediately. By following these steps, you can add your Facebook account on your Instagram account and link them together.